Hey guys, welcome back to another video for VS Leather and Card. I'm Victoria. Today we're going to be making some feather barrettes. This is a really easy project, but if you're not up to making them, they will be available in our next shop update, which is going to be April 1st. You can find us online on Instagram, Pinterest, Facebook, of course here on YouTube, and our website, vsleather-card.com. I'm just starting out with a piece of leather that is in the shape of a feather, and I've cut out small notches every so often just to further that feather shape. I've gone ahead and marked lines with my swivel knife to add detail to this feather, and now I'm going to be taking different Angelus paints. I'm using Sapphire, South Beach, Salmon, and Bronze. I've just watered down this sapphire paint in order to make it more of a stain. That's going to help it soak into the leather versus sit on top. And you can add water to your Angelus paints. I don't always do it, and I don't like it done with every color, but it works for the sapphire. I'm just going to take some of the South Beach color, and this is full strength. It's not watered down, but I am dabbing a lot of it off onto a paper towel. You can decide or choose whatever colors you want for your feather. This is just what I went with on this particular one. I'm going to use this salmon to add just some detail, an extra bit of detail, and a pop of color. I like the brightness that this particular color adds, and I've just used the back of my paintbrush in order to do that. Moving on to this bronze color, I'm just flicking that on to some of the edges just to add a bit of dimension, a bit of difference to this feather. And I'm going in now with the Angelus leather paint in vanilla. And I'm just using the back of my brush to create some dots. While this video is in hyperlapse, it is not hard to do these designs yourself. Moving on, I'm going to adhere this barrette. It's an alligator clip style barrette to the back of this feather. I've used 2 coats of barge glue and let that dry really well. When I tested this design out, I tried it on myself and my daughters, and we are fairly hard on barrettes, and they held up. The glue did not stick to our hair. It did not, come off. The feather did not pop off. It is on there for good. Now, in order to cover any of the lines that we made with the pen, I'm just going to, again, stain the back of this with some of this sapphire color, again watered down to create a stain so there's not any plastic feeling on top of the leather. And then we will be all done with this feather. Again, our next shop update is going to be April 1st. You can find us at vsleather-card.com. We are also on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest, and of course here on YouTube. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Feel free to like and share and subscribe. I'm also taking this color and just going around the edges just to kind of finish out this feather, give it a well-rounded look. I'm not going all the way inside of the feather because I want some of that natural leather to show through. It's also going to add a bit of highlight. In this next clip, you can see all of the different kind of feathers we're going to have available. I'm still not done making them. I have fallen in love with this design. Until next time, guys, we'll see you later. Bye.